Welcome to Data Engineers Academy. Hello everyone. In this video, we'll solve an SQL interview question called Finding Actors by Favorite Movie Genre. Our goal is to identify actors who star in movies belonging to the most common movie genre in our library. The final output should display the actor's name and age, sorted from oldest to youngest. If two actors have the same age, we sort them alphabetically by their names. We have three tables. Playground.movies contains two columns, which store the movie name and its genre. Playground.string_actors contains three columns, which map each movie to its starring actor. Finally, Playground.actor_ages contains two columns, which store each actor's name and age. Now coming to the SQL query. First, we join the movies table with the starring_actors table using the movie name. Then, we join the result with the actor_ages table using the actor name to retrieve each actor's age. Next, in the where clause, we use a subquery to find the most common movie genre. The subquery groups the movies by genre, counts the number of movies in each genre, orders the results in descending order of the count, and returns the top genre using the limit 1 clause. Finally, we sort the output by age in descending order, and if two actors have the same age, we sort them by actor name in ascending order. When we execute the query in Snowflake after confirming the correct database and schema are in use, the output shows Keanu Reeves, Robert Downey Jr., and Tom Hardy. These actors star in action movies, which is the most common genre in the library. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Data Engineers Academy for more SQL and Snowflake interview questions. See you in the next video.